Hi, I am Sharif. This is my channel, All English Practice. Today, I would like to talk about different kinds of adjective, uses of adjectives, and example of adjectives. Let's start our topics. Descriptive adjectives. A descriptive adjective is a word which describes nouns and pronouns. Nice, good, bad, beautiful, charming, etc. describes adjectives. Example: she is looking good. You are a bad boy. In this sentence, red color words indicates descriptive adjective. Demonstrative adjectives. Demonstratives are used to specify the noun or pronoun. This, that, those, these, etc. This book is mine. That is his room. In this sentence, these and that are indicates demonstrative adjectives. Interrogative adjectives. An interrogative adjective modifies nouns or pronouns and forms a question. An interrogative adjective asks a question. What, which, and whose are known as interrogative adjectives. What kind of tree is it? Which subject do you want to teach? In this sentence, what and which indicates interrogative adjectives. Possessive adjectives. A possessive adjective indicates possession or ownership, such as my, her, their, our, your, etc. Their house is very big. This is our school pond. In this sentence, their and our are possessive adjective. Compound adjectives. When compound nouns or combined words modify other nouns, they become a compound adjective. I saw a 6-foot-long snake. I have a broken down sofa. In this sentence, 6 foot long or broken down, these words are compound adjective. Indefinite adjective. An indefinite adjective describes or modifies a noun, but they are not specific. The common indefinite adjectives are few, many, much, most, all, any, each, every, either, nobody, several, some, etc. I gave some candy to her. Several writers wrote about the recent incidents. In the sentence, some and several, these words are indefinite adjective. The degree of adjectives. These degrees are applicable only for the descriptive adjectives. There are 3 degrees of adjectives: positive, comparative, superlative. In my next video, I would explain positive, comparative, and superlative adjectives. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please subscribe, like, and share the video.